It's here. Windows 11 25H2, that is. Although it is still technically in preview, once the ISO files reach the release preview channel a month or so ahead of the actual release, these binaries are practically the same as those for general availability. Head on over to the Windows Insider site to download. For users of Windows 11 Home and Professional, there were rumors from Microsoft that Microsoft was going to remove BypassNRO.cmd. I can say with certainty that for this release, 26200.5074, it is still there. At the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, hit Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt. Type OOBE/bypassNRO.cmd to restart the computer. Notice you now have the ability to click the I don't have internet link to create a local account. Likewise, the alternative method of using start ms-cxh :localonly also works. Therefore, if you're setting up a Windows 11 25H2 Home or Professional and you don't have internet, you can still install using a local account. After you log in, notice the version and build number. As Microsoft stated, not much has changed between 24H2 and 25H2 since they both use the same code base. 25H2 will be enabled for current eligible 24H2 systems via an enablement package. Here, I'm applying the latest KB 506-5426 update, which is for both 24H2 and 25H2. This further confirms that this ISO is probably the same as the one that will reach general availability. After the update, notice the version and build now reflect 26200.6584, where the build number matches that of existing 24H2 systems. Unfortunately, there is no new start menu that Microsoft said would be present. Hopefully, that will be enabled at some time later with a future KB update. But the ability to remove built-in apps via GPO is there. For the most part, it is practically the same as a similar normal 24H2 system. For this Windows 11 25H2 close to official release from the release preview channel, the build number is 26200. Windows 11 previews that are part of the beta and dev channels have build numbers 26120 and 26220 respectively. The start menu that is present in 25H2 build 26200 is the same as that in 24H2 build 26100. The new start menu is present in Windows 11 25H2 build 26220. There are other documented changes between the two channels, with on-screen indicated positions being one. It appears that installing remote server administration tools via the 24H2 client language and optional features ISO works. Windows ADK tools, such as Windows Configuration Designer, Windows System Image Manager, and Windows Performance Analyzer, install and open normally. WSL is version 2.6.1.0 with a few new available distributions. Windows Sandbox, interestingly enough, is reflecting 24H2. The Windows Management Instrumentation command, WMIC, has been removed, but it can be enabled through optional features. PowerShell 2.0 has departed and is no longer available. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful and informative. If you have feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it.